this is my lunch for today. I really craving for babi guling. It has been long time I didn't eat babi guling. So yeah, in Canggu eating babi guling.
Smacznego, honey. And I will show you quickly the place. This is the most famous babi guling in Canggu. Also the very clean and very nice. Quickly I'm gonna show you. Very nice restaurant. That's our chimney. And I wanna show you babi guling, how it looks. I don't know if I can get inside, but I wanna show you. Babi guling. So that's how it looks, the life next to the babi guling shop. Over here, this is the junction in Canggu. Quite busy, by the way. Quite busy.
Alright, after I had my lunch. Now it's time to go to Canggu. This is the road called Jalan Padang Linjong. Yeah, it's nice road. I mean, like, you know, the rice paddy still, but yeah, some buildings already built here. Like on the right side, this is a very new building. And also this one, it's a very new building actually. Guest house. I think this is a new guest house, which is just building, still building. Wow, Canggu, changing a lot. Yeah, this one is complex. Also, small warungs and restaurant and villas. Next complex of villa, this is warung. Yeah. And we see like it's already busy. Surface. Yeah, as you see, many hostels also in this area in Jalan Padang Linjong. And actually, this place is a mix of local life and also tourists. So yeah, as you see, many shops, coffee shops, new building, hostel, villas. Samadhi, and then yeah, so that was Samadhi Bali. So the area for yoga, supermarket, vegan shop, something like that. Walking dog in the afternoon. Money changer also, breakfast, coffee shop, mini market closed. Oh, they have a small clinic even. Here you can go. will go to yes, we will go to La Brisa area. Yeah, also this area is developed quite well. This is still Jalan Padang Linjong. You see the new building. The new building in Canggu. Oh, this is on the right side. Before it was a restaurant owned by Indonesian celebrity. Oh, look at the doggo. Nice doggo. Yes. This is also Club Lost City. And on the right side, so that's a dojo co-working space. So this area is also famous for digital nomads. And yes, this guest house, Como Uma Canggu Hotels, surfer shop. This is a brand new building in Jalan Padang Linjong. And yes, this one Teh Manis that I told you, the restaurant owned by Indonesian celebrity, she is actually the mixed Polish and Indonesian. Another new building. You see, that's the new apartment, I think. And then this is spa. Normal in Canggu. And the shop here, not bad. Yeah, there is still some rice paddies left. I mean, some rice field area left. Santorini. So here will be a new construction. I don't know what's gonna be. And this is Deus shop, Deus Cafe restaurant. Luigi's Pizza. famous Canggu shortcut. So yeah, we are in Jalan Nelayan Canggu. Many hostel, many guest house. Coffee shop. That's the brand new. This is a body factory. Yes. Complex of villas. Oh, this is the famous Fat Mermaid restaurant. Instagrammable restaurant. Okay, this one Villa Canggu Complex Villa also. Yes, villas and also hotels. Zin hotels.
Alright, so that's how it looks, the Canggu area. That's our second vlog about residential area and just general life in Canggu. And Sayang had her baby guling for lunch. I'm gonna have something different, Western. Sometimes we mix, you know, local and Western. That's normal thing. And yeah,
I think that's all our video today, guys, about Canggu life. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care, guys.